Sundays mean so much to me. It's very important for me to carry tradition with my family and sharing a delicious Sunday dinner. One of the special dishes that I'm going to be serving from Hungryroot is a zucchini prosciutto flatbread. These are two of my very favorite appetizers that I love to serve at my Sunday supper dinner. Now we're going to move on to the main menu, which is the most delicious Wagyu filet mignon. The best part of my Sunday supper are my meatballs. And now I'm so happy to make these for my dinner guests that are coming.
When I first walked in, there was so much stuff on the table, I couldn't choose what to pick. Everything looked so good.
Bon appetit, please get started. And now is the famous Antoinette's meatballs and spaghetti.
We walked in, we saw an entire spread. We thought that was it, and then more and more food came.
I hope you enjoyed this Sunday together. I certainly did.